Yeah, what up, ladies and gentlemen? It is what it is. This is FJ the King. You already know, hello, you already know. Yeah, I came here to do one or two, you know. And please, if you want to vote in Nigerian vote, don't vote those people that when the campaign is coming, they want to go around and speak, chopping the whole guy, chopping account. You don't want to have a bad, in fact, Nigeria is talented to have a bad government, but then I must advise you, if you want to look good like me, plan your votes. I'm going to come out for president of Nigeria 2019. Anybody votes me, man. Vote me, man. Anybody vote me, man. Vote me, man. 2019. 2019, all of you already know. It is what it is, ladies and gentlemen. This is FJ the King. I can't kill myself with D&G, baby.